Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Vision Academy. In this video, we are going to continue from where we stopped about form field. So this one says style input with focus. It says by default, some browsers will add a blue outline around the input when it gets focus, that is clicked on. You can remove this behavior by adding outline none to the input. Use the focus selector to do something with the input field when it gets focus. So let's do something around this example of focused. So we'll come here, we'll say H2 input field with color on focus. Now after that we'll do p tag. Then inside this p tag, we'll say here, comma, the input field gets a color when it gets focused. So that is that for that. Now let's create a form. Say form. Inside this form, we'll have label, and inside this label, we'll have F name, then first name. Then after that, we're going to have label. I said label input. This input will be input type text. We would have ID, which will be F name, and we'll have name, which will be F name as well. Then we also have another label. Inside this label will be L name, then to be last name, and that is the last name. And also now we have input. Then this inside this input we would have name, which is L name, and as well inside this I do have L name. So we can also have a placeholder. Let's say value equals to do. Let's use John Doe. Let's also place a value here. We'll say value equals to John. So that's that for this. Now let's come and style it. We'll come here. The first thing first, we want to style our label. Label will be display block. Then after this, we would say input. Inside input, we want type, which is type equals to text. Then inside it, we are going to give it width of 100%. We'll give it padding of 12 pixel. We'll give it margin. I didn't close this. Margin of 8 pixel and 0. Then after that, we'll give it box sizing, which will be border box. Then we'll also give it border of 1 pixel solid 555. Then after this input type is text, we are also going to do input. Then this aspect we are doing focus. That's for the focus. Then we'll say you do the background color to be light blue. Now let's check it out. Oh, can you see? Now we have the padding. Now, can you see the focus? The focus is giving us a background color instead, which is a blue background color. So that is that for that. We also have tile input with icon image. If you want an icon inside the input, use the background image property and position it with the background position property. Also, notice that we add a large left padding to reserve the space of the icon. Now let's create our own example. So comment this out. Then we'll say H2. I like naming them. So say input field with an icon inside. So you can understand it better, safe. Then after that, we'll come here, we'll just say form. It's just simple. We don't need action self. Then inside form, we'll say input. It won't be type text. It will be, okay, input type text. And we'll give it name, which will be search. Then we'll say placeholder. Placeholder, which will be search. Then after this, what we want to do next is to style it. We'll come here, we'll say input, which is type equals to text. What do we want this text to do? Width of 100%. We also want to give it box sizing, border box. We also want to give it border of 2 pixels, solid, CCC. This is better. Then after that, we also want to give it a border radius of 4 pixels. We want to give it font size of 16 pixels. We also want to give it background color of white. What else? Then we're going to give it background image. This background image, we already have image for it to say URL. Then what do we want to give it? Say dot slash. Which of the images should we use? Let's use search one dot jpg. Then we can give it background position, which will be no repeat. Oh, which will be 10 pixel, 10 pixel. Then we can give it background repeat because we don't want it to repeat. Background repeat, which will be no repeat. Then lastly, we are going to give it padding of 12 pixel, 20 pixel, 12 pixel, 40 pixel. Then we can say background size, which will be 20 pixel, 20 pixel. And instead of this 10 pixel, we can say, let's just leave it like this. Now let's check it out. This is quite small. Can you see the search icon? Imagine if we don't have, okay, let me change it to search icon 2. Let's see the results. Now this is quite better. Now see the search icon. So that is that about that. Thank you for watching this video. Please do well to follow us across all socials at Tech Academy. See you next time. Bye.